Hello guys, welcome back to another thing. So for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds low volume issue. So if you're having issues with your Samsung Galaxy Buds, well there are a few things here that we want to do here to solve specifically the low volume issue. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to understand why this is happening. So what many users don't realize that the Galaxy Buds have their own internal volume control, which is separate from the your phones. So even if your phone's volume is all the way up, the buds themselves might still be set too low. That is why you might feel like your audio is capped or muffled. So what you need to do first is you want to open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So if you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store and Galaxy Store. Now you want to go to the touchpad settings inside the app itself. And in this menu, you can customize what happens when you press and hold the earbuds. Now by default, it might be set to something like ambient sound. So you want to change it up to volume up on one earbud and volume down on the other. Now, put your earbuds in and press and hold the earbuds to increase the volume. Now, keep holding until you're confident about the volume is actually maxed out. Now, once you've done that, you can go back into your app, set the touchpad controls back to whatever you originally preferred here, like ambient sound or voice assistant. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.